Hi boys and girls, you are going to be doing something called number bonds this week. And so I thought I'd do a little lesson on how to do number bonds since we've never done these before. So these are number bond kites, as you can see, which I think are very appropriate for the spring. And this number here, which is the number 6, is going to help us figure out what is going to go in these little ribbons here. So basically, we're dealing with math facts, okay? So when you look at this number is going to help you figure out what you're going to put up here in this number here. So for instance, 3 plus what equals 6? Well, the answer would be 3. 5 plus what equals 6? 5 plus 1. 4 plus what equals 6? Well, the answer is 2. Now, let's say that you just don't know that off the top of your head like Mrs. Flowers just did. Maybe that was tricky for you to think about. Let's think of some strategies that we can use to help us figure out what the answer is. So we're going to go to the next kite here, which is the number 10. And right here we have the number 2. So we're still asking ourselves the exact same question. The question is, 2 plus what equals 10? Well, let's see if we can figure this one out. So basically, I would say, just so we get our fists, remember we go 2, right? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fingers do I have up? I have 8. So I would write the number 8 in here. Okay, let's do it with this number here, 4. So we go 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fingers? That's right, I have 6. So let's ask ourselves the same question. 7 plus what equals 10? So we go 7, 8, 9, 10. The answer is 3. Okay, let's say that you want to think of a different way or a different strategy to do this. Well, let's go to this one here. 5 plus what equals 10? Well, I'm going to flip over my paper and look at that. I've made myself a number line, which you can do too all by yourself. You just make a line across, and then you start with 0, and you can end wherever you want to end. We do have some number bonds that are more tricky that are coming up, and so you might need to make a number line all the way to 20, I believe. So what was our problem again? We are at 5, and we want to know how many more do we need to add up to get to the number 5. So we start at 5, and we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our answer is 5. Perfect. Let's do this very last one on the number line. 1 plus what equals 10? Okay, I'm going to flip my sheet over again. I'm going to start at the 1. Remember, we don't count the 1. We count the next space over. The action that we do is actually what we're counting. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Our answer is 9. 1 plus 9 equals 10. If this is confusing to you, I want you to just think about it in a regular math problem. So if you want to turn it and say 3 plus 3 equals 6, that is the exact same thing that you're doing here. 5 plus 1 equals 6. 2 plus 4 equals 6. Okay, well, I hope this was helpful for you all. Today you'll be doing this assignment, so I think this will be really helpful. Remember to use those strategies that we've been using all year long, and you can always write out the problem, and putting a number line on the back can be really helpful, okay? You could even put a number line right on the top here. Mrs. Flowers just realized that. There's plenty of space. That might be a better place for you because then you can see the numbers that you're working with and you maybe don't forget what you're working with. So, anyways, boys and girls, I miss you and I hope you have a great day and I will talk to you soon. Bye.